Yes, this mixture is so powerful, it can help you treat and prevent cancer. You just need 3 simple ingredients: turmeric, black pepper, and some olive oil. Yes, that's it. Just take a look at the video below and find out more about this mixture. The ingredients, well, I really think that turmeric is one of the healthiest spices in the world. The main and most powerful compound, found in turmeric, is curcumin. This powerful compound is extremely beneficial for the human body and it can provide many health benefits. Curcumin has powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. Note: you should know that turmeric supplements are available in capsules, tinctures, or liquid extracts. The other ingredient, black pepper, is also extremely powerful and it can provide many health benefits. The black pepper is extremely powerful. Its key compound is piperine, which is similar to capsaicin, the chemical in chili. These 2 powerful compounds, curcumin and piperine, are beneficial and even more powerful when they are combined. Black pepper improves the bioavailability of turmeric because most of the ingested curcumin gets metabolized before it can get absorbed. This boosts the amount of any drug or supplement that can be absorbed by the body. Medical experts have examined these 2 compounds, piperine and curcumin, for their benefit in preventing breast cancer. These 2 compounds inhibit mammosphere formation. Studies have revealed that the combination of turmeric and black pepper could target breast stem cells. Both compounds don't affect normal breast tissue. Note: in a recent study, conducted by a group of researchers at the University of Michigan, cancer cells were injected with a powerful solution of piperine and curcumin that was around 20 times stronger than what is normally consumed through food. You will need the following ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of black pepper. Directions: it's very simple, just mix these 3 ingredients and add them to your favorite soup, salad, or meal. Enjoy! We hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and take care.